In today's video, we are going to solve some of the examples related to gamma function, and I hope it will be helpful. Let us start with first example, that is gamma 3 by 2 minus x and gamma 3 by 2 plus x is equals to 1 by 4 minus x square pi secant of pi x, and we are starting from left hand side. So the solution is, we can rewrite 3 by 2 is equals to 1 plus half. So the changement will be half 1 plus half minus x and gamma 1 plus half plus x. I want to make a formula of n gamma n plus 1. So I can rewrite both of these gamma function as half minus x plus 1 and gamma half plus x plus 1 bracket over here. So as you can see, this form is of gamma n plus 1, and here n is equals to half minus x, and same with this form is gamma n plus 1 where n is equals to half plus x. So this formula is equals to n gamma n. Now this is equals to half minus x gamma half minus x, and then half plus x gamma half plus x. This is the form of n gamma n gamma n. Now as you can see, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So we have a property that a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So I'm writing it as 1 by 4 minus x square, and rest of gamma function half minus x and half plus x as it is. Now as you can see, the right hand side, in the right hand side we have 1 by 4 minus x square. So we have got this, but still we have to change this function. Now I want to make a formula of gamma n and gamma 1 minus n, which is pi by sine n pi. Now I'm changing this half as half is equals to 1 minus half. Okay, now 1 by 4 minus x square will be as it is. This gamma function will also be as it is, and I'm changing this and writing it as gamma 1 minus half plus x, but we want to make a formula of gamma 1 minus n. So what I'm doing is, I'm taking half common, and this will be minus over here. I'm putting a bracket. Okay, now you can see the form is of gamma n gamma 1 minus n. Instead of whole of this, I can write pi by sine n pi is equals to 1 by 4 minus x square pi sine n pi, where n is equals to half minus x. Now I'm changing the formula. 1 by 4 minus x square pi sine half minus x pi. You can write this sine pi by 2 minus x, and this is equals to cos pi x. So the answer is 1 by 4 minus x square, and pi, instead of 1 by cos, I'm writing secant of pi x, and this is RHS, hence proved. Okay, so let us see what we have done. this was the question. So first of all, I have rearranged this functions as gamma n plus 1, which is equals to n gamma n. Then I have used second formula, which is gamma n and gamma 1 minus n, that is equals to, that is pi by sine n pi. Okay, now let us move to second question. So the question is gamma 0.1, gamma 0.2, gamma 0.3 till gamma 0.9, and we have to calculate this. We are using a formula which says that gamma 1 by n, gamma 2 by n, gamma 3 by n, and it will go like this till n minus 1 by n. This is equals to 2 by pi and to the whole power n minus half by n to the power half. This is the required formula. Now I can write this question in the form of this. This is equals to 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10, and so on, 3 by 10, gamma 4 by 10 till gamma n by 10. Okay, so simply I can use the formula which is equals to 2 pi, okay, and it is n minus half, so this will be straight away n by 2 by root 10. Okay, let me write it clearly. So you have to learn these formulas in order to solve these examples. Now let us move to third example. Third example is integral 0 to pi by 2 tan tangent to the power n theta d theta, and you have to prove that this integral is equals to pi by 2 secant n pi by 2. Okay, now again we are starting from left hand side. This tangent to the power n theta can be written as this is equals to 0 to pi by 2, and this will be sine to the power n theta d theta and cos to the power n theta d theta. Again this can be written as 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power n theta and cos to the power minus n theta d theta. The reason behind we are writing this integral in the form of sine and cos, because we have a formula related to this. Let me tell you about the formula. Okay, so the formula is 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power n theta and cos to the power m theta d theta is equals to gamma n plus 1 by 2 gamma m plus 1 by 2 and whole by 2 m plus n plus 2 by 2. And by comparing you can see that n is equals to n but m is equals to minus n, so we can use this formula, and instead of m we will put minus n. This is equals to gamma n plus 1 by 2 will remain as it is, and here it will be gamma n minus n plus 1 by 2 n minus n plus 2 by 2. N minus n will be 0 and 2 by 2, here it will be 2 gamma 1, and this will be as it is n plus 1 by 2 and gamma minus n plus 1 by 2. Now again we want to use the formula of gamma n and gamma 1 minus n. You can see it is gamma n, and I will make this as 1 minus n. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm writing half. Instead of half, I'm writing 1 minus half. Okay, so in the next step, this is equals to gamma n plus 1 by 2, and I have written half is equals to 1 minus half, and I have took negative common, so this will be n plus 1 by 2, and here it will be 2 because gamma 1 is equals to 1. Now I'm using the formula of gamma n, and gamma 1 minus n is equals to pi by sine n pi. Okay, so this is equals to, okay, first of all let me write pi and sine. Instead of n, here it is n plus 1 by 2, this, and 1 by 2. This can be written as half, and pi, this will be pi n pi by 2 plus pi. Okay, and on pi the name get changed, so instead of sine, here it will be cos pi by 2. Okay, and then this is equals to pi by 2. I'm writing 1 by cos as secant of n pi by 2. Sorry, here it will be n. Okay, let me clarify this one. When you will multiply pi inside the bracket, so this will be n pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and we know that sine pi by 2 plus theta is equals to cos. Now I hope all these 3 examples are clear, but in case there is doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you very much for listening. I will continue these examples in further next videos. Okay.